Hi guys, welcome to the finals. Congratulations to all of you and all the best. Let's start the quiz. The first question is going to Rahul, the next one would be to Pranav, and then Abhishek, and then Rohit. That would be the order, and then we'll be
How many
reversing the
questions
order.
do we have total?
So we'll be having about 16 questions. Rahul, we are talking about somebody. He declined Anud's role in Chingari, was the first choice from for Pravin Daba's role in Khosla Ka Ghosla. When Dilwale was planned, he was originally supposed to play Varun Dhawan's role. He was supposed to play Haider. He declined it because he was taking a break from films and he didn't want to keep acting back to back films. Who is this guy who declined all these roles and many more actually? But he's well known for the role he played in a comedy series. Comedy film series, not a TV series, a film series.
I faintly recollect. I wild guess. Tushar Kapoor.
That was an amazing answer. Like, seriously, an amazing answer. Yes, it is Tushar Kapoor,
I
and
had
he
no
was.
clue.
Yeah, I mean, it was
Gosh,
Haider ka thoda sa. There was a talk about Haider ka news ki Tushar Kapoor was, selected for the role. But yeah, so he declined it because he had a lot of pressing issues.
अच्छा हुआ.
That's how
No, but it's
I
so,
can.
huh?
This is तो ट्रिविया का बाप रे. मैं सोच भी नहीं सकता. मेरा वाइल्ड मैं तुझे नहीं बोल
मैं
सकता.
हर्षद वारसी सोच रहा
मैं तो
Yeah,
कपिल शर्मा बोल देता मैं.
उसने ब्रेक नहीं लिया ना ये उसको आई थिंक he adopted kids so
Yeah,
yeah,
adopted kid.
exactly. Yeah. So that was an amazing answer, man. The next question goes to Pranav. Pranav, this is a dialogue from a movie. I want you to tell me which movie is it from, A, and fill in the blank. Pranav, do we have an answer?
ये
Is he
हैदर
there?
है क्या?
I need two answers.
हैदर है क्या? हैदर?
I need two answers. एक मूवी का नाम और एक जो ब्लैंक है वो ब्लैंक फिल करो. So I need two answers. Five marks for both the answers. Marks points.
ये होता है नो.
You can give me an answer. Like you can give me two answers and then we'll move to the next person.
नो पास इट. आई पास इट.
Do you want to pass?
यस.
Okay. The question passes to Abhishek.
क्या ये होता है डेमोक्रेसी?
I need two answers.
मैं तो मेरे को पता भी नहीं कौन सा मूवी. मैं ऐसे गेस कर रहा हूँ कि ये डायलॉग से कि ये होता है डेमोक्रेसी.
Okay.
I don't know the movie.
Should I pass or so your answer is democracy?
Yeah, my answer is democracy.
Okay. I'll be passing the question to Rohit.
ये होता है चुटस्पा and the movie is हैदर.
That's the correct answer. यार पास क्यों किया यार? प्रणव पास नहीं करना चाहिए था. एटलीस्ट हैदर बोल देना चाहिए था प्रॉपरली.
तो हैदर का पॉइंट नहीं मिलेगा क्या उसको? हैदर तो बोल लिया था ना उसने.
He passed. He said हैदर है क्या? I cannot, like, I don't know if he has given me the answer or he's, yeah. इसीलिए मैं बार बार पूछ रही थी.
I thought he
पास
gave
करो
the
कि आंसर दे रहे हो कुछ तो. Yeah. So but still I would give 2 points to
Yes.
Pranav and Rohit, I'll be giving 8 points to you. Because that can actually click a thing for the other players. So the next question goes to Rahul again. Rahul, director X was planning to make a film with the actor Y in 2016. Okay, and began to work on the film when a series of events in September of the same year have put an end to his plans because Y had to leave. Okay. left with no film, or why he began to research these events and made a film on it instead. This film went on to win several awards, including National Film Award for Best Actor, Director, and Music Director. What is this movie that we are talking about, and who is this why that left? Who is this?
Yeah, let me just read the question once again. One thing.
Sure. This is India. This is an Indian movie. I forgot saying that, but yes.
So you want the movie and the actor, right?
I want the movie and the actor that left.
Okay. Movie, I am okay. I can answer. I'm not thinking about my answer for the movie is Bajirao Mastani.
And the actor?
Actor is Salman Khan. That movie. That I mean, I don't have to answer that line, but yeah, the movie got shelved with Sanjay Leela Bhansali.
No, that's not the answer.
No. Okay, no. What I'm saying is the movie is Bajirao Mastani, and why is actor is Salman Khan.
Okay. No, that's not the answer. I'll be passing it to Pranav. Please read the question carefully. There are points in the question.
So it was in 2016 that the movie was abandoned, but later on it was created.
No. The 2016 movie has nothing to do with the new movie that he has made. There was a 2016 movie that he wanted to make with somebody, but something happened. And because that something happened, why had to leave? Okay? An event happened. And because of that, that person had to leave. And because he left, he had no movie and he had no actor. Okay. So then what he did was he researched on the event that happened. The event that happened in September 2016, he researched on that event and he made a film on that event instead.
National Award for Best Actor, Director, and Music Director. Is it AK versus? I don't know whether it won or not. Anil Kapoor and AK versus AK.
No, that's not the answer. I'll be passing it to Abhishek. Abhishek, do you have an answer?
Is it Sanju and the actor Sanjay Dutt?
No. Move it to Rohit.
Demonetization November 2016. Is it Choked? The movie. My guess for the movie is Choked.
No.
It was a movie.
Okay, now I'll go to Rahul and I'll give him a clue. Rahul, this is an event that happened in India, and okay, two clues. One is the best actor that you're seeing and the best director in the music director. This was awarded to them for the movie in 2019. 2019 is
Sorry, can you repeat it again? The awards they won in 2019.
I mean, the release of the movie was in 2019.
Okay, so that is essentially one part of your question, right?
That is the part of my clue. One clue. Okay.
No, correct. Sorry, no, if I understand the question right, you asked for a movie which got shelved, and the clue that you're giving is for the movie that won the award. They are two different, right?
No.
Have a name.
My question was to Atal ask. My question is about the movie that was made finally, not the one that was shelved, because the movie that was shelved was not even it was not made at all. Okay? So I'm talking about the movie that won the awards, and that is the question. And the clue about the question is that this happened in 2019. Okay? It won the awards in 2019, which means the movie was of 2019. Okay? And the event that we are talking about, this is an important event. This is an event where
I know the answer.
Wait, no. This is an event. This is an event because of which Okay, I'm not able to get the name of the organization that I'm talking about, but it is basically the Indian movie organization, the National Movie Ka Board, that has decided not to give any work to a certain set of actors and artists that are working in Indian movies. Not to involve anyone from these a certain set of artists who are working in Indian movies, and they were asked to leave. That
Okay.
is so. After this event happened, this is the decision that the board has made to not to give work. India is not supposed to give work to certain
Okay.
set of artists.
So okay. So the movie, is it Uri? I mean, my answer is Uri. And you want me to the second part of the question? If I mean, if second part of the question
Is the actor why who had to leave?
that the Pakistani actor, yeah, I mean Fahad Khan.
I can give it to you. Yes, that is the answer. The movie is Uri, and the actor that the director wanted to work with was Fawad Khan. So 5 points to Rahul. And obviously, the 2016 event was also the Uri attack.
Surgical strike.
After the attack, everybody was asked to.
After the clue, the point becomes 5 points. Is it?
Yeah, it's 5.
Okay.
Cool. The next question goes to Pranav. Pranav, he worked as an environment specialist before trying his hands in filmmaking. Okay? He joined Warehouse Actor Theatre in Atlanta, USA. Then to hone his technical skills in filmmaking. Okay? His first film in 1998 was premiered at the Eros International Mini Theatre, Mumbai, for the Denver Film Festival, and it won the Audience Award for Best Film. He went on to make 13 more movies and worked well with renowned artists, worked well with many renowned artists. And which went on to win, most of his movies went on to win many awards. But he only achieved commercial success with his 2005 movie. Who is this director we are talking about?
He's Indian, yeah.
I cannot answer that question really. I actually can't answer that question. So he is from Atlanta, Georgia in USA. He studied his filmmaking there. His first film was in 1998, premiered in a film festival. And then he made 13 movies and worked with many people, many famous people. Went on to win many awards, but he achieved commercial success only with his 2005 movie.
Anurag Kashyap hai kya?
No.
Is it Anurag? I'll answer it as Anurag Kashyap.
It's not Anurag Kashyap. The question passes to Abhishek.
Pass.
Okay, the question passes to Rohit.
मेरे को 2 लोगों में डाउट आ रहा है.
एक ही बोल, दो मत बोल.
Is it Danny Boyle?
No. No. The question moves to Rahul.
Nagesh Kukunur.
Yes, it is Nagesh Kukunur. And that was the ambiguity in what, like, if you actually followed the ambiguity in kaha ka hai, kya hai, then you would actually get the answer Nagesh Kukunur, because most of his movies are premiered in film festivals only.
Film festival.
Iqbal bhi, I think the first premiere was in a film festival only, but 2005 movie that I'm talking about is Iqbal.
Okay.
I think,
where was he born? मतलब वो उसका citizenship
हैदराबाद का
He was born in Hyderabad, Narayanguda, which is like very close to my house. And
मैं confused ये हुआ कि
but
मेरे को
he
लगा था कि
is,
ये sound
but he
character
is
from
a
the
US
US.
citizen. Yeah, he is a US citizen now because the thing about him is वो literally movie बनाने के लिए इंडिया आता है, बना के फिर वापस चला जाता है, वहीं पे बैठ जाता है. He doesn't like coming back. Like he doesn't stay in India at all.
आउटसोर्सिंग मतलब ऑफशोर ऑन साइट करता है.
हाँ, बहुत ही ज्यादा. So, but still, like for some reason, I don't know how he bags Nasiruddin Shah and everybody because he's an amazing director. That's
मेरा
there.
दूसरा गेस राजू ईरानी.
Okay, so that's a great answer, Rahul. Next question goes to Pranav again. Pranav, Gulzar wrote the popular hit X. Okay, this is a song we are talking about in a critically acclaimed 2006 movie. The song got nominated in all multiple categories. Best lyricist में, best playback singer female के लिए, best choreographer, and it won playback singer and choreographer का award. ठीक है. One of the song's lines foreshadows a certain character's death. उसका English translation है, neither it was a mistake nor defect, for no crime of mine I died. ठीक है. Javed Akhtar once said that the song he wished that sorry, I wrote it wrong, but he said that he wished that he wrote this song because it was a very cleverly written folk song. For a folk song, it was very cleverly written. Sorry about the typos.
Is it from Tal? कोई रोग लगे.
No, it's not. Sorry, what is the movie that you just said?
ताल.
Tal.
No.
2006 रे.
No. It's a 2006 movie. The question passes to Abhishek. Pratapan?
Thinking. ये Rockstar है क्या movie?
Actually, I need the song. You're telling me the movie's name. I need a song's name.
वो यार. नादान परिंदे उसमें का ही है क्या? नादान परिंदे है क्या गाना और Rockstar movie?
No. Please read the question properly.
अरे मेरे को गाना नहीं मालूम.
Even though it has typos, read the question properly. Okay, Rohit, question passes to you. Please read the question. I see a smirk on Rahul's face.
सब आता सब जवाब दे रहा.
नहीं रे पास.
ठीक है. Passing to Rahul.
Is it Omkara? PD?
It is Omkara VD.
Yeah.
Neither it was a mistake nor a defect, for no crime of mine I died. What is the song? At least you can tell me now the line. ना कसूर ना फितूर
Oh God.
बिना जुर्म की हुजूर मर गए हम मर गए. Yes. So basically it is foreshadowing the protagonist's death. Okay, cool.
Good answer, man. Good answer.
That was an amazing answer. Yes. So the question passes. I mean, the next question goes to Pranav.
हम लोग को डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस नहीं मिल रहे.
कोई
आंसर ही नहीं कर रहा अभी.
This Bollywood movie was earlier slated to be called High Jump and is said to have been inspired by the biography of the famous Japanese filmmaker named Akira Kurosawa. Which movie is being referred to here? Bollywood movie है, High Jump नाम था, कुरुसावा के ऊपर लिखा गया है. नहीं, बायोग्राफी से इंस्पायर हुआ है. सॉरी.
ये तारे जमीन पे है।
अरे वाह,
Nice.
nice answer. Yes, the only person who would actually sit and read Kurosawa's biography is him, I think. Okay, so the next question goes to Abhishek.
क्या बात
डायरेक्ट आया गांव वालों में खुशी की
दस।
लहर.
Movie poster copy.
अब मेरे
कौन
को
सा?
ये लेके आने का है क्या मेरे लिए? ओह गॉड,
Which Hollywood movie is this poster copied from?
ये रोज का हो गया मेरे लिए.
I just realized something. Sorry, I'm not supposed to talk about this, right? But I just realized something because of Prime, Netflix, and all the OTT platforms. People are not looking at posters. This is like a very good question if you really think about it.
हाँ वेट, आई थिंक
क्योंकि ये सब OTT में random scene को ऐसा freeze frame करके रखते हैं उसमें, and as soon as you go, your cursor goes there, it starts playing.
मिशन इम्पॉसिबल.
It's not Mission Impossible. The question passes to Rohit.
Is it Hitman?
It's not Hitman. Question passes to Rahul.
Johnny English.
It is Johnny English.
Oh man.
It is Johnny English. Amazing answer.
डायरेक्ट आया था अभिषेक को वापस गया.
अबे मेरे को रोज का हो गया बे पोस्ट.
All right. So the next direct goes to Pranav. Pranav, this is actually a very professional storyboard drawn for a movie. ठीक है? It's a Bollywood movie, and I want you to tell me. I mean, it looks like random drawings, but this was the legit professional storyboard drawn for a particular scene in a Bollywood movie. 3 scenes हैं, 3 shots हैं, एक ही scene का 3 shots हैं. तो वो शॉट्स देख के मुझे मूवी का नाम बताओ. तो फर्स्ट शॉट, कैन इफ यू कैन सी, एंड देन द सेकंड शॉट इज दैट राउंड थिंग, एंड द थर्ड शॉट इज दिस.
जोधा अकबर है क्या ये?
Amazing. Yes, this is for Azimo Shan Shahanshah song, Jodha Akbar. Yes, that's the answer. Now we'll be reversing the order. So Pranav answered the question. So the next direct goes to Rahul.
खेलो आपस में.
Rahul, everyone knows how Sunil Dutt saved Nargis from a life-taking incident during the shoot of movie Mother India, right? Now, in which movie was this real scene recreated? By the way, I have to give disclaimer this.
Om Shanti Om.
Damn you. It is Om Shanti Om. Yes. Also, this question is sponsored by Aaron Anirudh. I mean, Minty. The next question goes to Rohit. Rohit, this is a quote from a director of this movie. He says, "I think it was fabulous. Of the many rip-offs of this movie, I loved Hong Kong's Too Many Ways to Be #1 and one more movie." Okay, one movie is Hong Kong's Too Many Ways to Be #1, and the other movie is this. Said the iconic director. Who is the director, and which is the second rip-off referred here? This is a question sponsored by Aaron Ashwin.
I'm just guessing the direct. Is it Quentin Tarantino?
And
that's my guess. I can't remember the movie.
I'm talking about the rip-off movie, not the main movie.
I know, but I'm not able to figure that one out. I'll pass.
So you'll be. Are you giving me?
Answer is Quentin Tarantino. I don't know the movie.
Okay, the question passes to Abhishek.
Is the movie Schindler's List?
I want you to tell me the ripoff, which is a 5-letter word. Are you guessing Schindler's List for what?
The first ripoff.
No, I don't want you to give me the answer for the original movie. I want you to give me the answer for the ripoff, and I want you to
The
give me the
ripoff
answer for.
is a Hong Kong movie, right? मतलब
No.
नहीं,
The
नहीं,
ripoff
नहीं.
is the
Hong Kong
first
वाला
movie.
too many ways
There
to
are
be
two
number
ripoffs.
one.
There are
Okay.
two movies that are ripoffs of the original movie. एक Too Many Ways to Be Number One है और दूसरा कुछ और है. वो कौन सा है? Which the director himself said that, you know, बहुत अच्छा था, मेरे को अच्छा लगा, ऐसा बोला वो.
वे 5 लीटर का गुंडा है रे.
अबे ये भयंकर ऊपर वाला चल.
A गुंडा Schindler's List से inspired था, of course.
बराबर. क्या हो सकता है? Speed.
दो आंसर दे रहे.
ऐसा तो कुछ रिलेशन ही नहीं है Schindler's List और स्पीड में भी, पर मैं दे रहा है.
The name.
Speed.
ठीक है. So, okay, the question passes to Pranav.
उसके बाद
It the director is Tarantino and it is Kate.
Amazing answer,
हाँ,
dude.
काटे था यार. Shit.
It is
मेरे को
Kate,
याद ही नहीं आ रहा
and
था.
the movie was Reservoir Dogs that it
Reservoir
was
Dogs.
ये
inspired from, and
काटे याद नहीं आ रहा था.
Tarantino directed, and he actually liked Kate.
हाँ. ये सुना था मैंने. मेरे को
कांटे.
काटे याद नहीं आ रहा.
Kate.
Also काटे is 5 letters, 6 letters ना.
Oh shit, yeah, 6. नहीं.
KAANT.
T-E-Y. Kate.
हाँ?
AANT.
है ना? T dot but T है ना?
2 A है.
हाँ क्या? अच्छा
गलत.
ठीक है. Thank God आंसर दिया. हाँ right, इसीलिए तो स्पीड बोला ना. Nice, very nice.
5 लेटर
तो
में
मैं
किया ना.
गुंडा थोड़ी बोलता था.
ये काटे का स्पेलिंग क्या है? T-T-E है ना?
KAANTE.
एक डबल है था क्या?
हाँ.
और
थोड़ा
Schindler's
दे तो दिया.
ये मेरे को पहले ही मालूम था क्योंकि उसमें एस कम था मेरे Schindler's.
शिंडलर्स लिस्ट किधर से रे काटे.
अबे मेरे को कांटे पता होता तो
कौन बनाएगा? वो ऑलरेडी इतना डिप्रेसिंग मूवी है.
हाँ रे, sorry, it is 2 letters, but I think we can give it off to Pranav because at least
हाँ, दे
answer
दो,
सही
दे
था.
दो.
Rohit gets 5 and Pranav gets 5. Okay, so the next question direct goes to Rahul. Rahul, okay, this is a movie. Again, this is a sponsored by Ashwin, his brother. It has all the action of the film taking place through the protagonist, David Kim. Okay. Interacting with screens of computers, smartphones, streaming media devices, and via webcams. Guess the 2018 English movie. Another hint is it also inspired the lockdown experimental Malayalam movie See You Soon.
The problem is we watch movies together, so the answer is searching.
Damn.
ये घर पे क्विज कर लो यार तुम लोग.
It is searching. The next question goes to Rohit. So once Total Recall, the 1990 movie, became a major success, the studio wanted to get a sequel off the ground. Okay? So they went back to Philip K. Dick and acquired the rights to this movie, with plans to combine the two worlds and make this movie a sequel to Total Recall. Okay? Which 2002 American science fiction action film are we talking about here? This question is sponsored by Minty.
Is it iRobot?
No, it's not iRobo. The question passes to Abhishek.
Is it Minority Report?
Amazing answer, dude. It is Minority Report. Abhishek ने खाता खोला.
वैसे भी हार रहा हूँ.
चलेगा चलेगा.
खाता खोलना जरूरी है रे.
Okay, the next question, the direct goes to Pranav.
ये तो ऐसा लग रहा है कोई भी आंसर तो प्रणव को क्वेश्चन मिलेगा ही.
हाँ ना.
कहाँ बिठाए बे इसको?
Pranav, as an example of how important attention to detail in in this movie is in movies, the crew had created a prop notebook for Mr. M. Gustave. Okay, to use. Gustave is the name of the character. However, X, the actor who played the character, immediately noticed that the notebook had no lines in it. जो lines rule होता है ना, rules नहीं है. So after arguing that an organized and meticulous man as his character, Gustave, would always prefer lines to write on, the design department got him a notebook with lines. So he went and told कि ऐसे कैसे गुस्तावे तो मतलब इतना ऑर्गेनाइज्ड एंड मेटिकुलस है तो रूल नोटबुक चाहिए ना उसको, ऐसे प्लेन नोटबुक कैसे दे सकते हो उसको. तो who is this actor and which is the movie are we talking about? There is a hint. Gustave was from the Republic of Zubrovka. Sorry.
Okay, Gustave.
अरे मोहरा का विशाल अग्निहोत्री है, उसको पहले फोटो नहीं मिल रहा था तो बुक पे लिस्ट बना रहा था.
Pranav, do we have an answer?
गुस्तावे तो इसमें था अपना बुडापेस्ट होटल में. एंडरसन है क्या? वेस एंडरसन है क्या? आई एम नॉट श्योर.
I need you to name the movie and the actor.
द बुडापेस्ट होटल एंड वेस एंडरसन है क्या?
Actor.
एक्टर एक्टर आई डोंट नो. आई पास.
Okay. The question passes to Rahul.
Yeah, so Ralph Fiennes, Grand Budapest.
Yes. So Pranav gets 5 and Rahul gets 5 for answering the name of the actor correctly. It's Ralph Fiennes, who's famous for playing the role of Voldemort. Yes. And the next question goes to Rohit. Rohit, this is a line told by Jack Torrance. Here's Johnny. I'm sorry. Here's Johnny. I'm not supposed to say it in the way he does. He said, referring to a famous TV show, The Tonight Show, starring Johnny Carson. Which movie is this famous psychotic dialogue from?
Is it American Psycho?
No, it's not American Psycho. The movie, the question passes to Abhishek.
The Shining.
Perfect.
ये यार वो दूसरा गेस था.
It is The Shining.
मेरे को लगा वो गन दिखाता ना उसको जॉनी बोलता है.
Shining.
Okay, so the next question goes to Pranav. Pranav, frankly, my dear, I don't give a damn is an iconic dialogue. From which movie? Simple question, about single line question.
Apocalypse Now है क्या?
क्या? नहीं. The question passes to Rahul.
Gone with the Wind.
Yes, it is Gone with the Wind. Okay. The next question is supposed to go to Rohit. This is a very bizarre question. This goes to Rohit. No, Rahul.
ये मेरा है. राहुल ने Gone with the Wind.
Oh, sorry. Rohit. Okay. This singer was a huge boxing fan and met up with the ultimate boxing champion, Muhammad Ali. Okay. While on a tour to Chicago in the late 70s. Who is the singer? He also has this iconic picture with him, like he's the picture shows of him punching Ali.
ऐसी हरकतें एटलीस्ट बॉलीवुड में 2-3 लोग ही कर सकते हैं. माइकल जैक्सन है क्या? माइकल जैक्सन.
Sorry, 1 minute. Hint. I will give you now only because
Why?
no hint. Nahi. I'm going to give this to Rohit only so that the question is complete. This we are talking about an Indian because I have to tell that.
Yeah.
काफी ambiguous हो जाएगा.
Makes sense. Makes
हाँ.
sense.
We're talking about an Indian.
तो माइकल जैक्सन तो नहीं हो सकता.
Thanks.
एक एलिमिनेट हो गया. बप्पी लेरी.
The question passes to Abhishek.
मोहम्मद रफी. एक ऐसा गंजा सा एक फोटो रहेगा वही.
It is Mohammad Rafi.
यात्रा बोलने वाला था फिर.
So we are done with the quiz, guys. I'm gonna tell you the scores now. So
हम लोग
yeah.
तीनों के मिला के भी राहुल जितने
तो
नहीं.
Rahul is the winner.
ये तो मेरे को जो ऑर्डर में क्वेश्चन पूछा ना वही ऑर्डर में मार्क्स भी दिए.
Hey, actually, yeah, that's true. Congratulations, Rahul.
Well played यार राहुल.
Congratulations, 150 rupees मिलेगा आपको.
150 रुपए
पार्टी कर लेना.
और क्या करोगे इतने दिन?
150 रुपए का